Common English Verbs List. Be happy. Have a good day. Do the work. Say hello. Get to work. Make some food. Go for a drive. I know a lot. Take a number. See, I can see. Come to me. Think, I think so. Look at that. Want, I want to eat. Give me a gift. Use a fork. Find the answer. Tell your story. Ask a question. Work, I work hard. You seem lost. Feel, I feel happy. Try again. Leave, I will leave. Call me.
Thank you for learning with us. Hope this video is very much informative to you. Thank you so much. Keep watching for more videos.